How to replace a Moen 12-in-25 shower cartridge, a step-by-step guide. Dealing with a stiff or leaky shower handle? Chances are it's time to replace your Moen 12-25 cartridge. This is a manageable DIY project that can save you a call to the plumber, follow along, and get your shower back in working order. Welcome back to Auto Care Secrets, your go-to channel for simple, no-nonsense DIY fixes around the home. What you'll need: replacement part, Moen 1225 cartridge, tools, Phillips screwdriver, channel locks or pliers, utility knife or razor blade, also handy silicone plumber's grease, a towel to protect the drain. Step 1. Shut off the water. Turn off the main water supply to your home. Once it's off, open the shower valve to drain any remaining water from the lines. Tip: toggle the handle to both hot and cold to make sure the lines are fully depressurized. Step 2. Remove the handle. Use a razor blade to carefully pop off the handle cap. Remove the handle screw with a Phillips screwdriver, then pull the handle off, along with any beauty ring or washer behind it. Crucial: lay a towel over the drain first so you don't lose any small parts down it. Step 3. Extract the retaining clip. Find the U-shaped retaining clip holding the cartridge in place. Use pliers to pull it straight up and set it aside. You'll need it again to secure the new cartridge. Step 4. Remove the old cartridge. Slide the white plastic tool included with your new cartridge over the stem and twist it back and forth to break up mineral buildup. Then grip the cartridge with channel locks or pliers and pull it straight out. If it won't budge, a dedicated cartridge puller tool can help. Step 5. Clean the valve body. Using a flashlight, rag and screwdriver, inspect inside the valve and clear out any debris, old O-rings or hardened grease. This ensures the new cartridge will seat properly. Step 6. Prepare and install the new cartridge. Apply a light coat of silicone plumber's grease to the O-rings and rubber seals on the new cartridge. Align the tabs so one sits at the top and one at the bottom. Then slide it into the valve body. Use the plastic tool to press it in until fully seated. Step 7. Reassemble and test. Slide the retaining clip back into place to lock the cartridge in. Reinstall the beauty ring, handle screw and cap. Turn the water supply back on and test the handle. It should move smoothly, that's it. You've fixed your shower valve yourself and saved the cost of a plumber's visit. That's a wrap. Your shower's fixed and your wallet's a little happier. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Auto Care Secrets so you never miss a fix. See you in the next video.